What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Last DJ, to whoever's watching these. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to install an Alcantera e-brake boot cover. A while back a buddy got me one for my shifter. You can go ahead and show him. And then is a birthday present, but I couldn't leave the OEM one here not matching, so went ahead, ordered this from Overland Designs. Quick shipping, great price. I'm gonna show y'all how to pull off this trim here. If you've never done it before, it can seem a little sketchy, like seem like you're gonna break it, but really down here you're just gonna grab the bottom of it, get your hands underneath, and you're just pulling straight up, and it'll all come up like that, and you're just working it off. Just like that. What we're gonna do is peel this old one off and then glue this new one on, and then I'll show y'all inside the adhesive that I got that I'll be using to install this. Alright, so now we're inside. I've got the OEM e-brake boot cover, our new Alcantera one, and then on Overland Designs on their website it says to use a good adhesive like glue, contact cement. They recommend Dap Weldwood or 3M spray 90. And then I've got some brushes, some gloves. We definitely don't want to get that on our hands. What I'm going to do next, peel this off, then we're going to apply the adhesive, put this boot cover back on, and then we'll get it in the car. Right now I'm using an X-Acto knife to help me cut this off a little bit and separate it a little easier. It's a whole lot easier. Ooh. Peel it all back. You know what I want to get next?
What?
I want to get the steering wheel, like Alcantera. Oh God. Jeez. This shit is on there. They like made this and they're like, no one's gonna want to take this off. This is so nice. Wrong. This is gonna be kind of tricky, man. I've got it all trimmed, pulled apart from the actual trim itself. My lovely wife started to peel it already, so took away that satisfaction for y'all. Here we go, look at that. This is what the trim looks like. This is the old boot. Get rid of that. Alright, now I gotta figure out exactly how to get this all the way in here. There's some lines on the inside of Overland Design showing you where you need to fold over, so that's really nice. But once I figure that out, I'll go ahead and come back and show you guys how to glue everything and put it all together. Alright, we are back. You know, nuts, bolts, exhaust, suspension, that's all pretty easy to do, but I don't know why. This seemed like kind of a tedious task, but it wasn't hard. It just took some time getting the glue to stick. Now we're just the last fine part here. I didn't even use these brushes, I didn't know, but this lid, here's a brush on the inside, and then you just brush over. We did this part first, and then we worked the sides one at a time, ensuring that it's stuck. This is the final piece. Look at all that red stitching. Whoa. All right, now I'm just probably gonna let this sit overnight and dry. It's dark outside, and you're not gonna be able to see putting it back in the car without like a flashlight, and that'll just look kind of crappy. But yeah, this is all done. Super easy installed. Just took some time, being careful not to get glue everywhere. I'm gonna let it sit, dry, and then we'll come back in the morning and put it on once it's had time to cure. All right, next morning, putting the boot back on. Really like how this looks. It's a really tight fit now. Yeah. This part over here. Okay. Now that's on there. And just scoot this down. Ooh. There we go. Ah, watch out. We're gonna roll. Sick. That looks awesome. Now, e-brake boot matches the shifter boot. If you haven't modified the interior of your car, do it. Your car will thank you. Your car will love it. Look at that. So beautiful. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.